The hard worker lie and the high leverage shift. Breaking the income ceiling, the modern economy's painful lie, is the myth of the hard worker. You are an elite specialist, a consultant, a high-performing professional, yet you're likely trapped by the volume chase, believing your financial ceiling is determined by sheer hours or project count. This is fundamentally untrue. That dedication is precisely what's limiting you to an income dependent on your personal energy rather than the leverage of a system. This comprehensive tutorial is your necessary, uncomfortable shift. Flip the entire model from selling your time to selling scarcity, intellectual property, IP, and transformative outcomes to a client base that willingly pays a 10x premium. We're talking about achieving a level of financial and professional respect enjoyed by the top 1% of B2B consultants, those who operate with a massive profit margin and a fraction of the clientele. Stop the frantic, exhausting chase for volume and start building a resilient, high-value consulting practice centered on high-ticket, low-volume, automated delivery. This is your essential, deep-dive 2025 blueprint for achieving professional sovereignty. Your high-leverage offer roadmap, from genius to scalable asset. This is far more than just a video. It's your personal, fully actionable roadmap for creating a single, powerful high-leverage offer from the ground up. This blueprint covers everything from scientifically identifying the single most urgent, financially devastating problem your clients face, the only problem worth solving, to structuring an irresistibly priced, non-negotiable solution. You will learn to engineer a zero-waste, automated client onboarding and IP delivery system that eliminates all unnecessary human interaction. We strip away the generalized fluff of business coaches and the misleading complexity of sales jargon to focus on clear, verifiable, and highly profitable principles of value-based pricing. Instead, we're diving deep to master the real-world art and science of consulting productization that actually works in 2025 and beyond. Our focus is surgically sharp on 3 core principles: radical simplification of your offer, no more endless options; automating the sales qualification, screening out low-value clients immediately, and pricing based on the client's ROI, charging a fraction of the immense value you create. The streamlined scarcity consulting engine, predictable wealth creation. Now, truly visualize a completely streamlined business life where you serve only a handful of clients a year, yet your revenue dramatically exceeds your previous high. You don't chase payments, manage complex teams, or handle zero logistical headaches. Your entire job simplifies to one core discipline, applying overwhelming value and surgical, patient thinking to solve a high-level problem. That means conducting meticulous, unbiased systems audits for clients and strategically deploying a high-value piece of your intellectual property, IP, that solves their bottleneck in days, not months. Every time you facilitate a successful connection, a complex system overhaul, an exclusive strategic blueprint, you receive a generous, near 90% profit margin, reliable cash flow, and long-term appreciation in the value of your IP. That, in its purest form, is the unparalleled, transformative power of a well-researched and strategically structured scarcity consulting engine operating at scale. It is the most powerful and accelerating engine for achieving genuine business freedom because your long-term success is completely decoupled from your personal, day-to-day effort. The strategic foundation, niche IP creation, and value reversal. The first and most critical decision for long-term consulting freedom is high-impact niche selection. Offering a broad, generalized business strategy is functionally obsolete. It always leads to low-fee, high-volume work. Success demands surgical precision and deep vertical knowledge within focused, specific markets that have extreme, measurable financial consequences. You must specialize with precision. For example, in tax structure redesign for niche biotech startups. Instead of focusing on your process, you must focus intently on the value reversal, the massive cost of the problem if the client doesn't hire you. This laser-focused specialization is your fastest path to establishing yourself as the unquestioned expert, dramatically eliminating price resistance and allowing you to build profound confidence in your premium fee structure. Your entire business legacy and the ultimate scalability of your wealth hinges completely on establishing yourself as the most knowledgeable solver of a multi-million-dollar problem. Building unbreakable client qualification resilience for long-term growth. Building unbreakable client qualification resilience is paramount for sustainability. While market noise and economic recessions may create temporary turbulence, true scarcity pricing and the relentless power of a high-value offer are the only reliable factors that drive repeated, high-value revenue and inspire long-term, multi-generational growth. Therefore, every single piece of your marketing, the application form, the case study, the initial proposal must be transparently value-adjusted, rigorously honest in its ability to solve the core problem, and backed by your genuine, first-hand raw data. Your long-term practice grows specifically because you trust your informed, strategic judgment. Crucially, never compromise your long-term integrity to chase a mediocre, low-fee client. Instead, build overwhelming, defensive value first through exhaustive qualification and clear, empathetic explanations of exactly how your selected service solves the client's unique, high-level business problem. This unwavering, value-first approach instantly transforms casual market participation into lifelong, committed professional stewardship. The automated engine. Creating 3 high-converting financial assets. Your profitable consulting engine is not a single product. It is a sophisticated, interconnected system of assets designed to attract, qualify, deliver IP, and drive consistent targeted revenue ready to compound over decades. To build enduring scarcity model wealth in the high-ticket environment of 2025, you absolutely must master and diversify across 3 primary, high-leverage channels. The core IP repository, your true evergreen asset. This asset must be considered your indispensable service home base, your most critical, long-term, and scalable asset that you completely control. You must focus maniacally on a single, comprehensive, high-margin, proprietary system that targets the consistent, predictable solution of a high pain point. We provide comprehensive research on the best no-code delivery platforms for maximum security and detailed, actionable tutorials on maximizing your intellectual property protection. This high-conviction strategy is designed specifically to capture revenue that is actively compounding over time and built to earn for you reliably for decades into the future without further hands-on effort. The automated qualification funnel, your trust multiplier. Automated marketing assets like pre-qualifying application forms and recorded value-driven webinars are scientifically proven to be the fastest and most effective medium for building profound personal trust and generating high reliable cash flow. You must create compelling lead magnets, detailed cash flow analyses of the service's ROI, and engaging, hands-on demonstrations that highlight both the IP's undeniable solution advantages and its honest implementation limitations. Strategically using prudent, professional thought leadership significantly increases your net worth. The automated client success pipeline, your safety net and profit accelerator. This post-sale asset is, without question, the most underrated, yet possesses the highest potential long-term value in any scalable business model. You must strategically use every available automation tool from a simple, high-value freebie to an exclusive help desk bot to capture testimonials and compound permission. You then leverage sophisticated, automated upsell sequences to immediately nurture those customers, provide overwhelming product value, and strategically introduce relevant, higher-tier offers only after fundamental product success has been solidly established over a long period of consistent usage, automation, and scaling, removing yourself from the process, the significant, painful chasm between a struggling novice consultant and a truly successful, scalable, and passive wealth creator is bridged entirely by the strategic, disciplined implementation of automation. To make this financial model truly passive and to maximize your personal freedom, you must systematically and strategically remove yourself from all repeatable, high-frequency, low-value, day-to-day operational tasks. Comprehensive content deployment automation. Invest in robust, modern publishing tools to strategically pre-schedule and deploy your thought leadership across all your active platforms, blog, email list, and social streams months in advance. This ensures a consistent, professional, and reliable presence without demanding your constant, daily operational effort during pitch cycles. Rigorous funnel optimization and conversion mastery. You must set up and rigorously test set it and forget it funnel rebalancing protocols that automatically manage traffic allocation. Segment them intelligently based on buyer behavior and immediately begin delivering a series of high-value, educational, and strategically diversified email sequences over a period of weeks or even months. These automatic adjustments, driven by data not fear, are the backbone of long-term sales stability. Centralized asset management system. It is non-negotiable to invest in simple, powerful tools to centralize the management, tracking, and easy updating of all your individual client contracts, intellectual property licenses, and conversion metrics in one master, accessible location. This crucial step alone saves countless hours of manual, repetitive updates if a software platform shifts, a contract needs renewal, or a payment structure matures across hundreds of pieces of digital assets. Data-driven optimization. You must never, ever rely on mere guesswork or intuition. You must regularly and rigorously check your analytics dashboard, integrate your personal sales tracker, and monitor your referral retention income streams to see precisely which specific lead sources, distinct service bundles, and pricing tiers are generating the best, most efficient returns. The directive is simple and unemotional. Double down on what the quantifiable data shows is working and ruthlessly cut or repurpose all assets that are demonstrably wasting your precious time and financial resources. Ethical compliance and the enduring legacy. Crucially, tax and legal compliance is an absolute, unwavering mandate. Specifically within the United States, the stringent IRS guidelines require clear, conspicuous, and unambiguous reporting of your consulting income, sales tax collection, and business valuations. You must always work explicitly with a certified public accountant and a business lawyer to ensure you are utilizing all available tax-advantaged business structures and legal contracts not just to save money, but to build an enduring legal legacy. This is not just a critical legal requirement. It fundamentally strengthens client trust and preserves capital for future generations. You must always prioritize total, uncompromising transparency and intellectual honesty in all your financial and legal communications. In conclusion, successfully launching and managing a scarcity consulting model is a profoundly build-rich, slow, and inherently sustainable business model that consistently rewards relentless persistence, unwavering integrity, deep strategic thinking, and meticulous long-term planning above all else.